Redmi is expected to launch the most awaited smartphone of 2022 in the month of September or October 2022. In this video, I am going to show you some of the details, leaked information related to the upcoming Note 12 series. Two Redmi Note 12 series smartphones, which could be the Redmi Note 12 Pro and Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, have been spotted on Tenna certification website, and the listing on Tenna has revealed the model number and some key specifications. The Tenna listing reveals that both Note 12 Pro series devices come with a beautiful and immersive 6.6-inch display, which is an AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Coming to the battery, the Note 12 Pro will pack a huge 4980 mAh of battery, which will be marketed as 5000 mAh, and the 12 Pro Plus model will pack a smaller 4300 mAh of battery. This is a bit confusing, but this is what the information we have come across. Both the devices measures 8.8mm in terms of thickness, and they will run Android 12 out of the box and have a layer of MIUI 13 on top of Android. The Redmi Note 12 Pro has been spotted in two storage options. It has a base model of 6GB of RAM along with 128GB internal storage, and there is also an 8GB option which will come with a 256GB of internal storage. Other than these details, the Tenna listing does not reveal any other details about the two Redmi Note series smartphones. Report and leaked information suggests that the MediaTek processor or MediaTek powerful processor will be powering the phone, and the company might offer MediaTek Dimensity 8100 chipset or the Dimensity 8000 chipset. The Redmi Note 12 series could debut later this year in China, and the company typically refreshes the Note lineup in September or October. Therefore, the Note 12 series could debut in September this year in China, and in the month of November or December, they may launch Note 12 series in all the countries around the world. So these are the details we know so far about the Redmi Note 12 series. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.